Welcome to Reclining Yoga. Today I have holiday calm flow. Settle into deer pose and let your body soften towards the earth. Allow your hips to feel supported as winter tension begin to melt away. Take slow breaths, letting each exhale guide you into quiet grounding. This season invites us to slow down, to honor stillness and to listen inward. Switch side. Extend one leg and allow your body to hold gently toward it. Feel the side of your ribs expand as you inhale and soften as you exhale. This gentle opening creates warmth in the body. Switch side. A quiet invitation to release what feels heavy. Right into half circle pose and let your side body lengthen. Imagine a soft arc of winter sunlight moving through your ribs and heart. Switch side. With each breath, create space for warmth and gentle length. Lower onto your forearms, Sphinx pose, and lift your chest softly. Let your heart rise without force as though it were waking slowly from winter rest. Let the breath fill the front of your body with quiet light. Lift just a little higher into Baby Cobra. Feel warmth spreading across your chest and spine. This pose reminds us that length can exist within softness. Move into gate pose and let your body open like a door to a right. Side bend, help release the tightness winter brings. Switch side. Breathe into the praise that feel crowd, offering them softness. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release. Bring your body into Pigeon Prep and allow the deep muscle of your hips to release. This pose teaches us the warmth of letting go slowly and compassionately. Switch side. Slowly release. Bring the sole of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Allow the inner thigh and hips to soften with each breath. This gentle opening creates peace that radiates through the entire body. Slowly wake up, come into happy baby pose. Lie on your back, hold your feet and let your lower back settle. Let this moment bring a soft sense of joy, a reminder that rest can feel sweet. Slowly wake up, come into cross-legged pose. Place your hands on your heart and breathe gently. Let the peace from this practice settle into your body. Carry this quiet winter warmth with you through the rest of your day. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.